Welcome back to another video, guys. Today is a special day because AP is going to get his new short block for the Mustang. So we are heading down to the Land Ford, I believe, where we're going to get the short block, gaskets. What else are we getting? Anything else there?
Short block and gaskets, I think. That's what we're going to do. Head gaskets, all of the front seals, the oil pan. Just while it's out, we're going to try and freshen everything up. So, yeah.
Yeah, so we are on our way now. Picked up some drinks for the trip. It's a bit of a drive. But yeah, we'll see you when we get there. So we have arrived, but we don't know where to go. So we're gonna go find that out. Find who? Josh, somebody?
Yeah, there's... Brian said ask for Josh and parts.
Yeah, so we're gonna go look, find somebody. We'll come back to this.
Alright, well, $2,137.67. We're getting ready to grab the short block with the forklift and get all the parts in the truck.
Goes into the truck. Now the only problem is how do we get it out? Nice.
There she is.
Peeking underneath.
Oh, it even comes with an oil pan too.
Nice.
S550 Mustang short block.
Beautiful. Alright, now let's get this home. Well, lunch first, and then we get it home.
Yeah, you see that big old box back there? That's $2,000 worth of metal. That'll hopefully get my Mustang running again. Well, I mean, it runs now. I mean, it just makes a lot of smoke. And by a lot, I mean a lot of smoke.
Yeah, so we picked that up and are heading out. I think we're going to make a couple of pit stops on the way back. Stopping at Kimmy's shop.
Also, thanks to Brian. I know you're watching this video. He could hook me up a little bit with the whole engine setup. If those of you from Mustang Lifestyles, what is it? His name was like Quad Tip, I think, on there, something like that. That's the Brian we're talking about. So he kind of helped me out with getting all of this stuff here.
Turn right.
So yeah, appreciate him getting all that for us. It's about an hour's drive or so from my house to where Brian works, but it'll be a whole lot cheaper, and he worked me in a little bit of a deal. But it's better than paying shipping from other places. So
take exit 104 onto US 17 and US 92 towards Sanford.
Yeah, because it would have cost a fortune to ship that thing from wherever it comes from. Oh Lord, they're stuck. Oh man, I wish Anthony would have got a video of that. the road crews that mow the sides of the highways have an F-250 with a trailer that was buried to the frame in dirt over here. I wish Anthony would have got that, but I was too busy jabbering. Anyways, we're off to either A, Kimmy shop, or B, lunch, whatever comes first. So we'll keep you guys updated with what's going on.
Yeah, and then we still have to figure out how to get this off of the truck once we get it back.
Yeah, which is going to be fun because I don't have a forklift. I've got an engine hoist, which worst comes to worst, we'll use that. But yeah, it's going to be fun because that's not, I mean, it's light for what it is, but it's not light, so yeah.
So we'll see. Check out you guys back in a minute. Alright, so as you can see, it has gotten dark out. We finally made it back. We're going to go ahead and unload the engine. Just trying to figure out the best plan for it. So right now, this is going to be the rough plan. What we're going to do is we're going to take this pallet and set it on here. We're going to go ahead and zip tie these together, and that will be where we just lay it and can move it around. We were going to put on that one, but we're going to try that first.
Alright guys, so we're going to try and lift this on that. I think Anthony and I will be able to lift it, but if we can't, I'll grab the, like, where are you thinking? I'll grab the hoist that's in the corner of the garage, so I guess we'll switch to that camera. And hopefully we won't drop it. You ready?
Yep.
Ready?
One,
two. Oh, that's light. Yeah.
That wasn't a problem at all.
Yeah, no, not at all. Okay. Well, that was simple. Not really sad, but it'll work. Looks like somebody stepped on this piece of cardboard.
Good. Now leave this back here.
Well, there she is, guys. I don't think we're gonna unwrap her tonight, but surprise is out. Holy cow, that went blurry. There we go. S550 short block.
And all the goodies.
Yep, and all the gaskets and whatnot, and there's actually more in the truck too. You ready to put an engine together?
Another one? Another 5.0?
Another 5.0. Except for this right here is more expensive.
And all the stuff.
Yeah, than every pushrod 5.0 item you have currently. Sucks, but you know, shit happens. So
Yeah, but I mean, you don't want to really say bulletproof, but it'll be
stronger, stronger than it was.
Yeah, and we're gonna definitely make sure number 8 doesn't go bye-bye again.
Yeah. So, yeah, we'll have more stuff coming for this. Put some aftermarket stuff in, whatnot.
Have you said the plan for this one yet?
What do you mean plan?
That we're gonna do it right here on the floor?
Oh, yeah, I guess we should probably talk about that real quick. So, my plans to use a friend's shop kind of fell through. So it looks like we are actually going to do the engine swap right here. I didn't really want to, but we'll put the Mustang up on the 6-ton jack stands that are really high, and we'll yank her out. So I think they'll probably go maybe the first week or two in December. We'll be able to start on this.
Now, can you take the front core support out of the Mustangs, or is that?
I don't believe so. I think it's welded in. Kind of what the plan is. We'll put the Mustang up, pull the drive shaft out, pull the exhaust off. We'll raise it up as high as we can, pull a trans out from underneath it, hopefully. If we can get it that high, and then we're going to pull the hood off and pull the engine straight out. So that's kind of the plan for right now. I may or may not see if I can use a friend's shop to pull the trans and all that out just for ease of use. But we'll see. So, yep, that'll be coming soon. I kind of pulled a little bit of the engine apart already, and whatnot, but yeah. So, we'll have a new project here soon.
So before we go, a bit of an unboxing video. We got the Harbor Bay Pittsburgh half-ton engine stand. Just taking that out now.
Keep in mind, I have 3 of these already, and all 3 of them have engines on them.
Engine over there. Engine at my house.
I thought I had 3 of them.
You have 2 of them.
I don't know. I have 2 of them. I thought I had 3.
Well, yeah, you do now. It's in the box.
Sure.
So we're going to go ahead and put this together because we're going to need it for that engine here soon. And voila. Near second. Right? Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Cylinder 8.
Oh god. Except for it's not making noise, it's just making a lot of smoke. And by a lot,
not cylinder 8.
yeah, not cylinder 8. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button right down below. Yeah, drop us a comment. Let us know what we should do to that. Well, it's all out. I might do some aftermarket stuff, I might not. But yeah, we'll see. And stay tuned. Probably first week of December, maybe. Anthony will have to figure out which days we're all off and just take the whole weekend off and get the motor out of that thing. So, yep. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.